Hi guys, if you know anything about me, you know that I love good skincare and I love a good skincare routine. So I'm always moisturizing, I'm always cleansing. I don't go to sleep without taking my makeup off. It's so important, it's a #1 priority. So I'm gonna be unboxing today and I'm really excited to try this new line. It's called Hart Botanicals. It says, love your skin with all your heart. I'm already loving the fact that it says that. That's horrible. Let's do it, guys. You ready? All right. How adorable is this? Gabrielle, a handwritten card. That's always so meaningful and important. It's personalized. I think that's adorable. And it says, thank you for your purchase and support of our business. We hope you love our products. Well, right now is a really important time to support businesses, especially during this year with COVID-19 and everything. All right, guys, now for the products. Hart Botanicals Free Love Orchid Green Tea Cleanser. I'm so excited to try this. And we have the Hart Botanicals Meant to Be Mint Kiwi Aha Mask. Reminds me of Oprah's fun saying, aha moment. Well, I'm gonna have aha perfect skin. And then last but certainly not least, the Hart Botanicals True Love Papaya Citrus Scrub. This is for all skin types. I'm really excited to use these. Thank you guys so much for unboxing with me. I'll see you guys later.